External Excel files open and edit with multi-column databases from one mask. Excel VBA multi-column databases have an important advantage: they can contain more information. This program creates and manages such databases in external Excel files. Everything works simply. An Excel file is opened from the mask, and in each worksheet of the opened Excel file, you can enter data in 10,001 rows and 121 column, namely from row 1 to row 10,001, from column 1 to column 121. In row 1, the headings are entered. In column 1, the program creates the identification numbers, each number for one line only, each number that appears only once on the sheet. The remaining 120 columns are divided into 10 groups. Each group can be given a label, and each column with a heading is assigned a data type, text, number, date or time. All this is done in the database constructor mode. This mode also determines whether files are entered from a text box or a combo box. A combo box can contain up to 12 values. In the Enter mode, data is entered into the database while adhering to the data type assignment. Editing items are not displayed for columns without a heading. In this program, a filter is always applied when searching. In the filter view, only the filtered values are displayed in the ID number combo box. An image can be added to each identification number. All data of each identification number can be printed out.